Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and another tutorial that I want to share with you guys. So this is activity for kids, which is color by numbers, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how I created it inside of Artistry. And just a disclaimer, of course, every time our first attempt, sometimes it didn't work good or it didn't looks good, and sometimes there's a mistake of a letter and other things that you will notice when you get the result. But that's normal. I think sometimes we do a lot of attempts, we try to regenerate it over and over again. So that's what telling you guys that this might happen when you create this color by numbers. And I'm gonna show you guys some of the mistakes that I just encountered while creating this activity for kids. So here I'm gonna use Artistry. I'm gonna use the seamless V2 inside of Artistry, and of course the ChatGPT. Alright, so as you see guys, here is one of the color by numbers that I just created. So these are farm animals that I put on the theme, and the colors are just the basic ones. So you can add more colors if you want to make a little bit difficult. So this is one of those. So the other one is this, but there is no color. So some kids cannot read yet. So I regenerate this one to put colors on these letters. Okay, so they can just put a box inside of this and make it red, make it blue, make it orange. They know the numbers, but they can't read this. So sometimes if this happens or appear, you can just regenerate it or change the prompt of your activities. So here is the other style. But sometimes there are some mistakes here on the color keys. All you're gonna do is just to regenerate it and change the prompt a little bit, so that AI sometimes it's not 100% perfect. So you have to create it over and over again until you get what you want. So here are the other examples that I just created. So it's very easy, guys, the color by numbers using the seamless V2. Alright guys, so now we are here in ChatGPT, and I'm gonna show you guys the master prompt that I use to create this color by numbers. As you see guys here, color by numbers activity master prompt. I'm gonna you can now screenshot this, guys. You can copy and paste, and I will put this one, guys, on the description of this video tutorial if you cannot create or if you cannot make a screenshot into this inside of this video. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna put this one in under the description, so just go ahead, guys, and copy and paste. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is we're going to copy and paste the prompt. Okay, so here is the prompt. Then we're going to Artistry, and as you see guys, we're going to create a design and then fast AI image designer. So from here guys, I use the AI image designer V6, and under this category I use this seamless pattern V2. Okay, click this one, and here we're going to paste the one that we just copied in ChatGPT. Okay, don't take this off, a seamless pattern off. As you see guys, always start your prompt with a seamless pattern off. So I'm just gonna leave like that, and then I'm just gonna paste the one that we just copied in ChatGPT. Okay, so let's start from the top. As you see guys here, color by numbers, and here the image should have simple both lines and divided into a clear section. So each section contains a number from 1 to 6. Okay, as you see guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you can create this as 7 8 9 10. You can just add numbers and add the colors that you want. So now here the theme is, okay, so I'm gonna change this one. So it depends on what theme that you want to create, guys. So I'm just gonna say ocean, let's say ocean animals. All right, so the style is there, the background plain white, so I don't do anything here, just to write the theme. So once you finish with that, I'm just gonna generate the image. All right, so now as you see guys, this is what I got, right? So I want to show you guys this one because we need to change a little bit on the prompt so that I want the letter to have colors. Like for one, if it is red, I want this to be red. This two is blue, I want this to be blue because some kids can't read yet. So I want this to be colored. Okay, so if this is happen, if this is you did this one, you copy and paste, and this is appear, what you're gonna do is just to click regenerate and go back here and paste again the prompt. Okay, paste again, and we're going to change somewhere over here. Okay, say include a color key at the bottom or at the top, or at the top or the bottom. So we're going to add include the color key and color the key. Okay, so we're going to click generate image and let's wait for seconds. All right, so now here you go, guys. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bigger so you can see. All right, so as you see, guys, here 1 is red, 2 is blue, 3 is yellow, 4 is green, 5 is orange, and 6 is purple. You may try this maybe so many times to regenerate it because sometimes the colors are not what it says on the numbers. So make sure that you have to check this one because sometimes the number 2 is blue but it's written yellow, things like that. So this is the perfect one. So I tried this, I think, so many times to regenerate it just to get the perfect one. So this is how you can create color by numbers using seamless pattern v2. So I use the AI image designer v6. The ratio is 1:1, or so 1:1. The dimension is this. So you can see here, guys, all the details. Alright, so here is the design prompt, guys, for these activities, but I will put in the description so you can just copy and paste in there. So this is how you can create a activity number for kids if you want to color numbers. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from it. So if you are interested to try this activity, feel free to do it. And I'm gonna put the master prompt here on the description so that you can just copy and paste and use it, and then you can tweak it or change anything if you don't like how it looks when Artistry give you the images of your activity. Then please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, click the notification bell, click the like button, and to all my subscribers, always thank you so much for all your support, and happy holidays. Merry Christmas.